Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this graph that shows the total daily newspaper circulation at the end of each given year, okay? And so, state 1 misleading feature. Well, what did we notice about this vertical axis? Yes, the vertical axis of the graph does not start from 0. And now, why does this feature affect our interpretation of this graph then? Well, because it does not start from 0, right? Just by looking like this, right? It gives that impression that the newspaper circulation actually is falling very fast and very significantly. For example, the daily circulation in 2016 is about 1/6 of that in 2010, which is not exactly the case, you see. So if I were to do a quick look, we do see that it is about 1/6, okay? But if we were to compare the year 2016 and the year 2010, where the year 2010, but if we were to look at the figures, then actually for 2016 is about 1.25. This one is about 1.5 for easy calculation, since we are talking about millions. About, and this is also about. So right, the actual decrease, right? The actual decrease, if we were to use the figure, is actually 1.5 minusing 1.25 to give us 0.25 million. And this is actually 1/6 of the value in 2010, right? But if I look at this whole thing, it seems that we will lose all the circulation by 2016 if we don't look at the figures carefully. Okay, so the perception is that it seems that by 2016 the news paper circulation, right, will cease instead of just a decrease of 1/6. So now let's get back to how do we answer this question then. So the reader might interpret the graph as the total daily newspaper circulation is falling or decreasing significantly. For example, he might not have interpreted the decrease from 2010 to 2016 as about 1/6. With that, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.